Alright guys and girls, welcome to another episode of Astral Auto Repairs. Can you dig it? Alright guys, check it out. Behind me we got a 2003 Honda Accord. Customer complaint is that it's overheating. Now this car went through some repairs already to fix this and it's still not fixed. So now it's in our court. So that's what we're going to be doing today, right here on Astral Auto Repairs. This channel is a member of the Astral Stars, which means we have a zero-tolerance policy against the harassment of others. Anybody who violates that policy will be banned. For further information, please visit www.theastralstars.com. Alright guys, the first thing we do is start this vehicle up and we got to verify the issues. So let's start this up. Oh man. Guys, I don't know if y'all heard that, but that serious misfire then cleared up. That's not a good sign. Alright, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to sit here and let the vehicle run for a minute. As you can see, the temperature right now, temperature is just below half. Let's let this warm up a few minutes and we'll be right back.
Okay, we just noticed the car is smoking and I can smell antifreeze very, very bad.
Alright guys, Sylvia told you about what's going on in the back. Check this out guys. Our temperature is up there. You told you smell antifreeze?
Yes.
Back there?
Yes.
Alright guys, while we got this running, let's go up under the hood for a minute. Because the car was overheating, customer took it to a repair shop. They replaced the thermostat, which is located down here and it comes with the housing. And they got a brand new radiator because it was leaking. Let me see. Alright, that hose is hot. Now the way antifreeze travels on this car is it goes travel this way, go down. Oh, it doesn't pull up the other way. Let me fill this hose down here. Oh god, this hose right here is kind of cool. And that one's hot. Okay, we have a circulation issue here. So
What's supposed to be? What is supposed to be?
at this temperature right now, both hoses should be really hot. Matter of fact, I got an infrared thermometer. So let's see if we can verify the temperature of the hoses. Be right back. Alright guys, we got our infrared thermometer here. Let's check this one. We are at 178, 177, 180. Alright, now let's check the bottom one. See the bottom one? We're getting something going on with this camera. Be right back. Alright guys, there we go. We are at 112, 111 to 109. Actually, so the bottom one is a lot colder than the top. Which means we got no circulation whatsoever. Yeah.
I'm sure I'm not the only one, hopefully I'm not the only one. See, the way I understood is anything comes into the radiator, and the fan cools the antifreeze, and then it goes back to the engine, right? Shouldn't one be hot and one colder?
For a little while, yes, but once it gets hot like it is right now, both hoses should be hot because right now it's circulating. So right now the hot antifreeze is coming in, going out, so it's circulating, so it should be at pretty much the same, about 10 degrees difference. And then when it cools down, then one is going to be that way. Right now, and also another thing is, the fans are not on right now, which at that temperature, it should be. But this vehicle has a radiator fan switch, so yeah, it wouldn't come on. If there's no circulation, the antifreeze in here is cool. The cap is really cold. I wonder, can I get a reading on the radiator itself? On the radiator, look at this. I mean, that's cold. It is not circulating whatsoever. See if I can get a... I'm trying to get a reading on one of the fins down here. I'm at the radiator. I got 98 degrees, 92. So right now, the antifreeze is stopped right here. Now normally, any mechanic will go right to the thermostat. But the customer did take it to a repair shop. They did replace the thermostat. And I can tell that they did because this thermostat comes with a housing. So it looks very shiny, so I know they replaced that. The thing is, once they replaced it, they should have verified that the car did not overheat. Because I think we got a little issue right here. So guys, the question to you is, why isn't it circulating? Why is the antifreeze, the coolant, just stopped right here at the radiator? The car is overheating. Matter of fact, let me see if I can. You see, I'm right at the thermostat housing, and I'm at about 171, 170, and I'm right before the thermostat. There's the fans. 160. Let me fill this hose right here now. Okay, now this hose. That was quick. 130 feet. 130. And up here. Wow. Up here is 212, 214. Still climbing. Let's go check where the gauge at. Matter of fact, guys, what we're gonna do also, we're gonna hook up the Autel and see what the computer is reading as a temperature. Alright, we'll be right back. Alright guys, the fans come on for about 5 seconds and shut back out. Our temperature is still way up there. Weird part about it is, it's not bubbling or anything. Let me shut it off for a minute. Let's see if we can hear any bubbling. No. Alright, now what we're going to do, guys, is let's go down to live data. Any day now, buddy. Stop kicking me, Sophia. Alright, view data. Let's go to complete. Alright. ECT temperature 262 degrees. Wait a minute. Guys, look at this. Now guys, what I'm about to show you, you're gonna definitely learn this on our new channel. Autel.
It ain't that new anymore.
Well, it ain't no that new anymore. Our other channel, Autel AL539B. Check that out, man. But look at this, guys. For you guys who are following our channel, what the heck is going on today, guys? Short term and long term should be at 0. Maybe -1, something like that, but you guys know what I mean. It is way down at -14. What does that mean? That means there is a rich condition here, and the computer is trying to lean this out.
And it's been going on for a while, because it's in long term too, right?
Yeah, the long term. Yeah, definitely. Yeah, the long term, because the long term. Dang, Sylvia knows what she. What the deuce? So, okay, I'm still taking it back. So you know what that means? Go ahead, Zimmy.
I paid attention.
All right, yeah, so it's been going on for a while. So the computer said, hey, this is going to be a long-term thing. So we're going to set it right there. So which means here, is this system is running rich. We started it up, had a misfire. We smelled antifreeze in the back. Antifreeze into a system will cause your system to run rich. And look at those numbers. Let me see what happens if I try to give it gas. Bring up the RPM. I'm at about 2100. Guys, that you go nowhere. Look at that. Temperature's at 206. Ugh. Alright guys, we definitely got him. And I'm starting to feel a little misfire. Alright guys, let's go out there, let's get the thermometer again, do some more readings. But I think I know what went on here. Alright, we're back. Alright guys, we're back out here. I'm gonna do a couple more readings. First, the upper hose is 222. You know what, let's go further back here. We got a vent right here. This is the vent for the bleed. I'm gonna go right there at that housing. You see where I'm at? I'm at 256 degrees. That thing is cooking. And the thermostat's in here is 170 to 170, what is it? 172. So that thing should not be up this high. Our bottom hose is cool, which means there's the fans again. And watch this, guys. Watch they shut off. I said 5 seconds, but like longer. But it's still not circulating. That is definitely not long enough. So, guys, I asked you the question before. What would stop circulation going through here? We got a brand new radiator and a brand new thermostat. Civi, what would? I asked Civi the question. That something clogged would be a good answer. But once it passes that thermostat, everything is open. It just goes into the engine, into the head. There's nothing really that would clog it, and then it comes out through here.
So, no circulation. My answer would be a water pump. Because doesn't the water pump force the
exactly, force it through the system. And we know we got a new radiator. We know we got a new thermostat. So,
I think there's another problem.
What?
I think there's a blown head gasket.
Yeah, definitely, guys. Yeah. We're gonna be doing a head gasket. It's definitely got a blown head gasket. But the thing is, you gotta figure out why. Now, I believe, I don't know whether this, maybe it was before she brought it to the shop because it was overheating. Maybe it had a leak in the radiator, it overheated, threw the head gasket. They changed it.
I don't think it did have a heat in the radiator. They probably the radiator was leaking. But she told me the first time it started overheating, it didn't cool down on its own. How can it cool down on its own if the radiator was leaking?
So maybe there was an issue with the water pump from the beginning. And so they thought they changed these, which I can definitely understand them changing the thermostat. But the thing is, once you change it, you gotta verify it. You gotta let this car run, and I don't think they verified it. I think they just say, okay, we're done, here you go, everything good. I don't think they verified that it was fixed, because if they would have done that, it would have continued to overheat, then they would have went into other things. So we're gonna shut this off, and we'll be right back. All right, guys, we're back. Guys, look at this, man. This thing it's cold. I mean, you guys, you know, if this thing was overheating, this thing is cold. Guys, what I definitely want you to take from this video is the ability of the Autel AL539B or any kind of scanner that can read short-term and long-term fuel trim. You notice that fuel trim was way down in the negative. You know there's a problem. And especially, we started up, it ran like a misfire, and the smoke came out there. But afterwards, it cleared all up. So you might get a vehicle that will clear up. And you say, can't be the head gasket. But definitely check out that fuel trim. See what the heck is going on. All right. Wow. That sucks. We'll be back.
So today we had a 2003 Honda Accord with a 2.4 engine, and it was overheating, and we determined that it was a water pump issue. Unfortunately, that also caused a blown head gasket. So we're gonna go ahead and talk to the customer and see what she wants to do, and if we do the repairs, you guys will see the video on that, definitely. So in the meantime, if you guys have any comments or questions, you can post it below in the comment section, or you can email Timmy at tim@AstraAutoRepairs.com. Hope you paid attention. If not, watch it again. This is Sylvia from Astra Auto Repairs. If we can't repair it, nobody can. See you next time.